Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Please to follow me, you have to open your both books, activity and students book. So students book page 101 and activity book page 94. So today we are going to deal with lesson 3, module 4, accommodation. So I hope that you know the words, otherwise you will now discover the meaning of accommodation. So let's start with the first question. Where do people stay when they travel? It means when you go to another place for holidays, for example, okay, when you travel, where do you stay? Okay, and so I'll let you answer. Also, this is another question that may help you. Where did Iman stay when she went to London? Do you remember? So she stayed with the Browns. Okay, so this was her accommodation when she stayed with the Browns. So an accommodation is the place to live or to stay, especially on holiday or when people travel. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word. Okay. So please you take notes. Also, accommodation is the noun. The verb from this noun is to accommodate. Okay, we can use this to, just a second, I'm just writing here. So to accommodate is the verb. We can use this verb, or also we can use to book. To book, what is the equivalent of to book? To book or to reserve. Good. To reserve what? An accommodation. Okay, so we can use these verbs to accommodate or to book or to reserve an accommodation. Okay, so let's move to step 2. Here, in step 2, these are some of the places where people can stay when they travel to the United Kingdom. Read the descriptions and do the activities in your activity book. So at the same time, please you take your activity book page 94. So let's do them together. So accommodation in the United Kingdom, or these are different types. Let's take some notes. So different types of accommodation. People. So where are we? So here, people can stay in while what? While traveling. Okay? Traveling. Okay? So different types of accommodation. People can stay while traveling. Nice. Please, you take all the time some notes. Okay, the first picture. This is a 3-star hotels, are popular hotels with moderate prices. So what does it mean, moderate prices? Expensive or not? Expensive or cheap? Yes, moderate means not very expensive, not excessive, or let's say affordable. It means that we can pay for it. It's not very expensive. So this is the first type. The second one, this is the picture. These are some inns. So the singular noun is inn. Are small hotels, especially in the countryside, built in an old-fashioned, so this is not modern, okay? It's old-fashioned style. The prices there are usually also moderate, okay? It means not excessive, not expensive. Let's move to page 102. What do we have here? We have some hostels. Hostels are places where people can stay and eat fairly cheaply. Okay? Cheaply, is it an adjective or an adverb? It's an adverb. Why? Because it describes the word or the verb eat. So we eat cheaply. We eat cheaply. Cheaply is describing the verb to eat, so it is an adverb. Okay, just to remind you. Then let's move to the fourth picture. We have here bed and breakfast, or B&B as we call them. These are private houses or small hotels where people can sleep and have breakfast at a low price. Nice. So this is not expensive at all, and we can say that this accommodation is cheap. Okay, so we move to your activity book to fill in the blanks with your exercise. So please, you take page 94. So here is the table. I try to fill in my table. So for 5-star hotels, how can we describe prices? These are the prices are excessive or expensive. How can we describe more? Okay, we say excessive, expensive, or high cost. We can add high cost. Same thing, means expensive. Okay, we can also add high priced. Same thing, means expensive. Okay, then let's move to 3-star hotels. So prices are moderate, not expensive or not excessive. We can also use the word affordable. It means that acceptable prices, moderate prices, not expensive, okay? Moving to hostels. Hostels are cheap, low priced, and what can we add more? Another synonym? We can say that hostels are low cost, means cheap, okay? For bed and breakfast, these are low priced, low cost, cheap, and for inns, they are moderate. Okay, now we have paved the way to the listening through this activity. Now you are going to listen to a passage, and then you are going to answer your questions here related to the listening. Okay, so you listen carefully 3 times. And you answer, please, your questions here in this worksheet, okay? You will also receive it. Now, please, you listen to the listening or to the audio file, okay? Please.
Module 4, lesson 3.
Okay, so that was your audio file. You listen to the audio 3 times. You can do that, and please you answer these questions, and you will find the answers in the next video. See you.